She is good at playing piano.
She is good at playing piano.
The book is on the table.
The book is on the table.
They arrived in airport on time.
They arrived in airports on time.
I usually go to work by bus.
I usually go to work by bus.
The keys are hidden under the sofa.
The keys are hidden under the sofa.
He congratulated her on her birthday.
He congratulated her on her birthday.
The train goes through the tunnel.
The train goes through the tunnel.
She is responsible for the team's success.
She is responsible for the team's success.
He prefers coffee to tea.
He prefers coffee to tea.
We've been waiting for an hour.
We've been waiting for an hour.
The boy ran to his mother.
The boy ran to his mother.
The hotel is located on the beach.
The hotel is located on the beach.
The teacher looked over the students' assignments.
The teacher looked over the students' assignments.
The office is closed on weekends.
The office is closed on weekends.
She has been working here for 5 years.
She has been working here for 5 years.
They are heading for the mountains for a hike.
They are heading for the mountains for a hike.
He is always worried about his exams.
He's always worried about his exams.
She sat beside her best friend during the meeting.
She sat beside her best friend during the meeting.
The picture is hanging on the wall.
The picture is hanging on the wall.
We should focus on our goals.
We should focus on our goals.
He is allergic to peanuts.
He's allergic to peanuts.
She insisted on paying the bill.
She insisted on paying the bill.
The child hid under the bed.
The child hid under the bed.
He is fond of chocolates.
He's fond of chocolates.
We were walking in the park.
We were walking in the park.
She is looking forward to her vacation.
She is looking forward to her vacation.
The car stopped at the traffic light.
The car stopped at the traffic light.
He goes to the gym on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
He goes to the gym on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
The latter was sent via email.
The latter was sent via email.
He is capable of solving the problems.
He's capable of solving the problems.
The birds flew over the tree.
The birds flew over the tree.
She is worried about her health.
She's worried about her health.
She borrowed money from his friend.
She borrowed money from his friend.
The teacher explained the lesson to the students.
The teacher explained the lesson to the students.
The meeting was postponed until further notice.
The meeting was postponed until further notice.
She spoke to the manager about the concerns.
She spoke to the manager about the concerns.
She takes pride in his achievements.
She takes pride in his achievements.
The child was running across the field.
The child was running across the field.
The plane is flying through clouds.
The plane is flying through clouds.
She lives with her parents.
She lives with her parents.
They are famous for their delicious cakes.
They are famous for their delicious cakes.
We are not allowed to smoke in the building.
We are not allowed to smoke in the building.
The girl waited patiently for her turn.
The girl waited patiently for her turn.
The house is located beside the riverbank.
The house is located beside the riverbank.
She stayed awake during the entire night.
She stayed awake during the entire night.
He relies on his parents for support.
He relies on his parents for support.
The phone is charging in the socket.
The phone is charging in the socket.
I will meet you at the train station.
I will meet you at the train station.
She spent the afternoon with her best friend.
She spent the afternoon with her best friend.
He is popular among his classmates.
He is popular among his classmates.